So yesterday I went to another place where it's a lot of quartz, but that quartz contains a lot of pyrite, and I collect few samples like here, all those. Difference between those ones and my rocks. You see the difference? This is more lighter, but they contains a lot of pyrite. Pyrite is, you see, then when you look in this rock, is like spots, black ones, brown ones. Is a lot of different kind of stuff here. Okay, but this is pyrite ore, and he contains the gold, but not in the pyrites like you have wrong idea, guys. Gold is still in those brown areas. Like here, see the brown stuff. Here I can find the gold, and let's say this one, I don't see nothing, just pyrite. Here no gold, I guarantee. Or here in that brown spot can be gold, but everything else is a pyrite ore. It's a lot of pyrite, but pyrite is, you know, is mixed with the quartz, and gold is little bit different places. I already told you where the gold. Look for gold. Look where there's brown stuff in the pyrites. So pyrites is the same thing, but because of that, you found that kind of, let's say, rock, you crush it, you found the gold, you thinking the gold is in the pyrite. No, no, no. Gold is not in the pyrite. Gold is in those brown spots. If there is some kind of layer, then you can see that. Here is a little bit brown. Let's start crushing, then I can show you what is. Let's start crushing one by one and see what is where is that gold, because you have very wrong ideas, I see, and to figure out where the gold is, you need to understand, not just watch my videos like a movie and forget in 5 minutes. You need to analyze what I do. Okay, another way, you never found the gold. See, this is rock contains a pyrite, but pyrite is in the quartz. A gold is in those brown spots where the layer of fluids was going. Okay, the same thing in our place, in my rocks. Let's say, you see, my rocks contains this fluid areas, that brown. You see the line, another line. So in those areas is the gold. The pyrite, the same thing. Gold is there where the gold fluids flows, not like in pyrites, like you have wrong idea, guys, believe me. Okay, talking, let's go crush this rock. Crushing rock, this is because of this brown stuff over here in this place. You see this? There can be gold. Okay, not in that white spot, but in these four places where the brown stuff weighs like something interesting. Everything else is just pyrites. You see, pyrites looks like greenish blues, and here is just a pyrite in this rock. I don't think so we have a gold. You see, so let's go compare. One we crush it, then another crush it, and we will see what is what. So let's start from, let's say, this one. Okay, this is a lot of pyrites. I crush it, and we will see what we have in this rock, because my prediction is no gold in here. Okay, be a lot of pyrite and no gold. Let's start with this greenish rock. It contains some kind of very tiny layers. This is microscopic gold, maybe is, but I want a visible gold, because microscopic is microscopic. Let's see what is inside. Yeah, there be a lot of pyrite, but if there is gold, gold is in this one. See? Okay, let's continue crushing and panning. Just one rock. That rock, and you see what kind of rock is greenish. A lot of pyrite I can see, not even in those rocks, because quartz and pyrite is mixing together. Gold and quartz, it's never mixes together. Okay, so we'll see what we get. I don't see nothing right now. I go pan it. Ready to pan, and let's see. Let's see what we get in this dust. That we have a lot of pirates, I guarantee that. Hey, you love it, that pirate. You'll be roasting, enjoying your roast smell and everything else. I'm looking for gold. I don't care about pirate. Okay. Let me one more time. That way I'm panning. Okay. And then when we have very little amount, we do spinning. And look what we have. This is our pirate. And now I need to look with properly with microscope and see the gold. And I don't see so far nothing. This yellow is not a gold. Just some kind of rock. No gold. Just the pirates. A lot of them. Okay? They're no gold. Okay, let me look at the microscope. All those pirates in my round beaker, and I be looking in microscope at that black spot in the bottom. Spin a little bit. Everything heavy like a gold goes all the way to the bottom, and then you take 60 times magnified glass and look exactly in the bottom of this. So looking in the bottom of that, I saw just one little speck of gold. One little speck. I try to show you, but it's almost impossible, this field stuff. That way we can see all the gold with microscope. If you look it in bottom, you will see the gold if there is a gold. Okay, so I saw a very little amount of gold, maybe 2 or 3 specks in this all rock, but they're very small. So I leave it everything in this bottle, and then we do chemical analysis, because it's very hard sometimes predict do you see gold or do you see there's some kind of yellow pirate, which one looks like a gold. So I put separately right now. We go crush another one rock, which one I think is little bit more gold can be than pirate. Okay, let's go from the same area. Crushing this one rock. Remember I saw something over here, and the same thing over here, the same rocks. So let's see, do we have gold in this one? Okay, we have pirate. This is everything pirate ore, a lot of pirate, but I want to figure out where that gold is. So I'll be doing experiments. Like pirate, you see the pirate? Well, here is a pirate. It shines. Okay. And gold can be in those brown dots inside of them. So very small too. So almost invisible. Okay. So why we didn't see without microscope those gold places. And this is mostly pirate. But what in those black spots? can be, well, that is a pirate definitely, but in those another black spots can be gold, especially where those brown lines going, there gold lives. Here, pirates, you see, shines. Pirates too. Yeah. Let's see, do we have a visible gold better? Okay, this is looks like gold flutes for me. And where inside those brown stuff can be little pieces of gold. Okay, let me second sample. And now here, like I say, we can see little bit less pirate in this rock, but little bit more. But there is pirate over here. You see the two pirates, one sticking out, another one, a bigger one. So that we having some pirates too, and definitely we have some pirates. You see the pirates in the middle of the rocks. They mixed with the quartz. Gold never mixes with the quartz. It's just in the cracks in the quartz. Now this is a pirate. You see how the pirate looks? Okay. When you crush the rock, you see those black spots. That is a pirate. And they mixes with the quartz because of that density is the same. Quartz is like 7 and no 3 I think, and pirates have about 7, and they mixes with the quartz. So no wonder you see how many pirates is inside that, inside those rocks, crushed rocks. Okay, I don't finish crushing. I think I have enough here. So right now I go do the panning, and we will see do we have a gold or not inside this rock. I transfer all those rocks, crushed rocks, in the pan. I not transfer, I just came panning right now and want to see what we get in this case. You see, pirates is heavier than quartz. Quartz about 3 density. Pirates is like 7. Gold is 19. So not gold, if there is in the bottom. Pirates were supposed to be on the top of gold, and quartz on the top of everything. So that way I panning easy those rocks, because I know I can see when pirates started coming. If there is gold, then I know where to look for. You see? Oh, right away I see the gold piece. Where is that? Whoa, 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 whoa. You see gold? That in the middle is a piece of gold. And there looks like another one. Over here. See? Those one little pieces. Looks like here. So you see, when you was panning, and how say it, rock which one was just pirates, okay, don't have too much brown spots, we don't see any gold. Okay, when I took a rock with this one, then I started seeing the gold, and then not even a lot of gold actually in this corner. Yeah, see difference? You see those yellow ones? It's a gold. It's a lot. And that tapping makes gold move. Okay, so what we got is a little bit amount of gold, a lot of pirates. Pirate is all over here, but mixed with the gold too. A gold and pirate looks like very similar. Shines everything, sometimes not even yellow shines, but gold you can recognize a lot better. Over here is a gold. This is all greenish, is a pirate. It's like, okay. So here we got some gold from those brown spots, but you see how hard is to pan it, gold and pirate. They almost impossible to separate. Just tapping makes the gold move and pirate swims away. Okay, oh, I managed to make all gold in this place. You see, this is a gold place. You see that so small gold, you see those yellow ones? When it goes out of focus, those yellow is a gold. Everything else is a pirate. Pirate is like greenish, you see this greenish. Okay, so one more time we can check, put everything around bottle and check what to check. I already see gold. We can put around bottle and check what I can see. Okay, but it's no point checking. It's already, everybody knows that there is a gold, but I do it. I try to figure out how to show you that gold, but when you're looking in the bottom with the gold, you need to have a light shining. Then you can see very nicely that gold, especially looking in microscope 60 times. Then you can see that gold in the middle, in the center of the beaker. Okay. So I crushed few rocks, new place. I got new place where there are a lot of quartz, and I broke some quartz I brought home, and you see that quartz contains some little amount of gold, not a lot, but it's visible gold. So I don't know how to recover when it's a lot of pirates, just the chemicals, or like you guys do roasting all the time. So you can do this roasting, and that way maybe you can recover gold, but you know, roasting is not so good stuff for your health. If you smell those fumes, you can get headaches, you can get poison. So best thing, I think, use nitric acid. Is easy dissolves that pirate and gold stays behind, then you can use it. But if you have a lot of rocks crushed and there be pirates tons and tons, that even chemicals don't help you. So then is the gravity separation. Is I think you need to have still, I need think, shaking table to recover that gold. Another way is too expensive. So if you want to have a gold, you need to have a shaking table or something to recover that gold. Another way is no economic. You waste a lot of money on chemicals and everything to get that little amount of gold. Shaking table, I think, separates that kind of rock, because I can see when I panning, tapping, and gold separates from pirates and moves one direction, pirates moves another direction. So this was like short video. I just wanted to show you. I got some another rocks yesterday walking the hills. I found some quartz. I just chipped few rocks and I brought home to do video for you, and I'm lucky I got the gold again because I know what to look for. You saw when you take a rock, it looks like white and empty, so black spots you see pirates. It's not means that there is a gold. You need to look for rocks with the brown lines where was gold fluids going. So that rocks contains gold. You saw just a few minutes ago, you saw how I pan it. Those brown rocks when I crush it, yet they all from the same area, all the same area. But once was little bit more deeper in the quartz, another was next where the gold fluids was going. And you see, gold is over there where gold fluids flowing. If you see the quartz, you collect with the brown lines. Where there is brown lines, you can collect those rocks. And other ones, it's no point taking because they don't have nothing. So that was short video. Thank you for watching. I try right now do less chemicals, more try to explain you where to look for gold. Of course, maybe in the evening I go one more place. I thinking go and check for gold and quartz, and we'll see. Maybe I make another video in the field, okay? But you need to think about how to recover. I already show you all the chemicals, and last 3 videos was what you need to do it. And if you have shaking table, it's a perfect thing. You can separate that gold and don't have problems with those chemicals. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.